Let's talk about template string. If you want to combine multiple variables, basically you have to do in this way in ES5. There is a fantastic feature in ES6. First of all, let me show you the output. Let me access the data variable. Cool, person info, and it has combined the first name. Let's do it here. I also want to add space. Cool, let's try to access data again. Boom, now it is going to log the message person info, first name, last name, age, and the age number. ES6 provides a template literal string. I'm gonna use backtick here. Let me wrap my string inside the backtick. Now I can use the $sign and curly brackets to replace my variable. Cool. Get it off this plus, I don't need them. Let me use the curly brackets and $sign. I'm gonna replace all my variables. Get rid of this plus, and basically I need to do here backtick and age. I need to replace my age. Cool. I'm gonna refresh that. Let me access the data property. Now you can see that person info, Jane, first name, last name, age, and the age number. You can add one space here. I put 2 to 3 space. It's very useful property. Template string. Cool.